Our response to this crisis, I believe, is revealing our skills and capabilities as a nation. One instance is in quickly escalating testing, which is key to detecting and dealing with a pandemic. Our testing capability has gone up dramatically, and we have tested over 10,000 individuals. This week, the Ministry of Health has received more testing reagents that will allow us to upscale our testing capacity, starting with targeted areas and eventually to the wider Kenyan population. We are grateful that we have seen innovation out of this crisis. For example, students at Kenyatta University need to be applauded for developing a prototype of an inexpensive ventilator for use in our local hospitals. Not to be left behind, other universities and technical institutions are also making remarkable progress in the local manufacture of medical technologies and equipment in support of our medical and public health needs that have arisen from COVID-19. With imports severely interrupted, I also want to applaud our local industry that has stepped into the gap. These efforts are reflected, for example, by the Kitui County Textile Company, the National Youth Service, who are producing face masks in large numbers. Others are like Shona, EPZ Limited, Bedi Investments Limited in Nakuru, who are manufacturing the personal protection equipment for our medical workers on the front line. I encourage all those who are able to rally to supply this need, but also we need to ensure that those engaged in this manufacture pay heed to the standard required of these products. Other local industries have heeded the rallying call and diverted their regular commercial production to support Kenya's COVID-19 response by manufacturing soap and disinfectants for free distribution by government to frontline health institutions, vulnerable groups, and communities. These efforts are demonstrating our ability as a nation to be a stronger manufacturing nation that will ultimately create jobs and serve our nation, not just during this crisis, but into the future. This, I believe, will help all of us champion our agenda of expanding Kenya's manufacturing base. Now that these products are being manufactured locally, the focus for all purchasing parties should be to ensure that we procure these products domestically so that we can keep our enterprises and our workers growing and working.